A lot of you have asked me if I could show you how to make a guitar without a CNC machine, like I used to years ago on this channel, but don't watch those videos, they're terrible. So I did that, but I thought I would one-up it a little bit and try to really strip it down to just the most basic of tools that the most beginner, basic woodshop woodworker would have. They're all handheld tools, nothing stationary, that like even a homeowner owns most of these tools, and that's what this video is going to show you how to do. But I wanted to take it a step further and make it even more accessible, so I created these kits that are available from newperspectivesmusic.com that have literally every part you need to build this guitar. The only thing you need to provide is the wood to make the body, but it has every wire, nut, bolt, screw, custom pickups made by Gemini Pickups in conjunction with me. There's two kits, one with a humbucker setup like I made here, and then also one with single coil P90 pickups. It's all there. In the kit, there are these templates that I designed, and you get these physical templates as well as access to some downloads and a ton of video content of me making this guitar where I really go in depth. Or you can also just buy just the template from newperspectivesmusic.com that also gives you access to all of this behind the scenes extra content. This video you're about to see is just a very basic overview. Check it out, I hope you dig it, and I'll catch you at the end. Hey, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Please go to newperspectivesmusic.com and check out the kits and the templates if you're interested, and if not, don't worry about it. Be good.